This is a stunner. We've got a gin cocktail. We've got, I don't want to give it too much away, but we've got watermelon, we've got kiwi, we've got passion fruit. Oh my God, all shades of amazing. Now, I say this a few times on all the videos I do, whether it's this channel, my channel, I kind of create recipes, I kind of play around on my notepad, I come up with stuff. I'm thinking, I'm not sure whether that will work. It should work. I don't know. So quite often, more than often than not, whatever the phrase is, I don't know, I'm so excited, it's so tasty. But more often than not, when I come into the actual bar and make it, it kind of does blow me away. And this is probably the cocktail that's blown me away the most recently, because I was expecting it to taste good. I wasn't expecting it to give, you know, if I was going to score it out of 10, 100, or if I was going to score it out of 10, it scores a 12. It generally does score a 12. Just very quickly, before we dive into the recipe, please, guys, please, if you're going to name one cocktail, watch this video, look at the ingredients and give us a name, because this needs a name. This needs to go into cocktail books, and this needs to be out there, because this is absolutely stunning. So let's run you through the ingredients. Obviously, you've seen it, it's quite a little ditty, Nick and Nora serve. I've got JJ Whitley's Watermelon and Kiwi Gin. It's limited edition. Whether it goes on to becoming a permanent thing, I don't know. We don't know yet. We don't know. This, yes, it's a gin. Yes, it's got hints of juniper in it, but think of it more as a watermelon and kiwi spirit more than it is a gin, of course. That's what we all do with Whitley Neill. It's brilliant to work with cocktails, but it's not as you would kind of call, as you would think a gin in that sense. Monin's Passion Fruit Syrup, ODK's Orgeat Syrup, almonds, sort of hints of vanilla, hints of ginger, hints of lime and orange flower water, orange blossom water, there we go, and ODK's lime juice. Those three Drinkstuff sell. Right then, shaken cocktail, obviously, so we're going to make it in a cocktail shaker. Let me just get you a little close up on that to make sure it's round the right way. There we go. Zoom into that. Have a little look. As I say, it is limited edition, but it might stay around. You never know. 60 ml, 2 ounces of this watermelon and kiwi. Next up is Monin's Passion Fruit Syrup. You could go Passion Fruit Purée, but I just love this. This is really good. 15 ml, half an ounce of Passion Fruit Syrup. And then we're going for possibly my favourite syrup. I go through so much of this stuff on video, off video. I love it. Orgeat Syrup. I just want 10 ml. Hints of almond in there. So 10 ml. I can already smell it. Oh dear. Third of an ounce, 10 ml. And then just to balance it out, I'm bringing it home with some of ODK's lime juice. You don't need to be preach about this. If you're making lots of cocktails, if you're at home, this stuff is awesome. Love it. 22.5 ml, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Of course, use freshly squeezed if you want. So I'm just going to ice this up now. Plenty of ice. Fill the shaker completely with ice. There we go. One more. And then hard and fast shake. 10, 12 seconds, you know. And when that is nicely chilled down and you're out of breath, I'm going to serve this up, as you've already seen, Nick and Nora style, double strain. Over there, look at that. Perfect to the brim, look at that. And then just to garnish, I kind of got a little, wow. Melon and raspberry little kebab. If you want even more passion fruit or Monin syrup recipes, dive into one of those videos popping up on screen. As always, if you like the video, big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of our future content, subscribe.